Kanitha wa Gatoreki guku bururi-ini ni wikuruhanitie na mihango ya gwetha thayu na wiguano wa gutura gitaru-ini gia Kerio Valley kiria gikoretwo kiri gitumiro kia ici ya mahiu kwa ihinda iraya. Kiaria thutha wa KIGOMANO na ANYITI ITEMI gitaru-ini kiu, athikabu a diocese ciothe kenda iria gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley ni moritie thirikari igacirithie mihango ya gucokia thayu na ikuruhanie muingi wa mwena ucio niguo kuhukia ciiko cia wici wa mahiu undu umwe na wikinae mwena ucio.
Engage community, religious, political and other opinion leaders as mediators with the goodwill of both national and county governments. These will help foster trust and create conducive environment for dialogue.
Kuringana na ndumiriri yekereirio ni athikabu John Bida na Henry Juma thutha wa gikaro kiu, hamwe na maundu maria mendekithitio ni kugiana magongona ma gukuruhania iruka ciothe cia andu aria maikara Kerio Valley, kugacirithia tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere mwena ucio undu umwe na waki wa macukuru maria makurehe hamwe ciana kuma ndurire itiganite ithomage hamwe.
This includes investing in conflict resolution mechanisms, promoting dialogue between communities, disarmament initiatives, addressing historical grievances, and fostering inclusive governance.
To hold annual North Rift Peace Initiative conferences on rotational basis.
Agithoma ndumiriri ya magavana thia gitaru kia Rift Valley, gavana wa Nandi Stephen Sang augite ihinda ni ikinyu ria kuhitana na aria othe magunikaga na ngui iria ikoragwo mwena ucio undu uria ukindirirwo ni gavana wa Turukana Jeremiah Lomurukai.
It can no longer be business as usual to continue shedding innocent blood while leaders who are benefiting, while some business operatives who are benefiting from that kind of a business along the Kerio Valley continue to live in peace, and the government continues to witness this.
We need to be sincere enough so that we identify people who are causing or fueling this conflict. Whether they are well placed, whether they are in the deep states, whether they are where, they must be identified and raised and even publicly mentioned.
KIGOMANO giki gikurehete hamwe atongoria a guthurwo, ruhonge rwa wathani wa matura, ikundi itari cia githirikari na andu kiumbe niguo gwetha njira cia kurehe thayu wa gutura na kunina wici wa mahiu na giukite thiku nini tu thutha wa minista wa ugitiri wa thiiri Profesa Kithure Kindiki kuga thirikari ni gwaka kambi cia borithi na cia mbiraru mwena wa Kerio Valley undu umwe na macukuru ma kurehe hamwe ciana kuma ndurire itiganite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.